Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the Kenmore CU7005 Litening 24V Cordless Upright Vacuum, a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for busy households. Designed for carpets, hard floors, and pet hair, this vacuum combines cordless convenience with advanced cleaning technology, making your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. The brushless motor delivers strong suction while maintaining quiet operation, allowing you to clean without disturbing your home. With up to 80 minutes of runtime, you can tackle large areas in a single charge, and the lift-up design allows you to easily convert the vacuum into a handheld mode for stairs, upholstery, and tight corners. Pet owners will love the Hair Eliminator Nozzle, which prevents hair from tangling and keeps brushes clean, saving time and maintenance hassle. The HEPA filter ensures that allergens and fine dust are captured, promoting a healthier environment for you and your family. For added convenience, the LED display shows battery life, suction mode, and maintenance alerts, helping you stay on top of your cleaning tasks. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, and the cordless operation gives you complete freedom without being tethered to an outlet. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes, pet hair, or deep cleaning carpets, the Kenmore CU7005 Litening Vacuum is engineered to deliver reliable performance and hassle-free cleaning. Upgrade your home cleaning experience today. Click the link in the description to buy on Amazon, and make sure to subscribe for more home appliance reviews and tips.